What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be going over Operation Mod Outs. This is what they look like. Welcome lights, door lights, down lights. I think those are a couple different names for these, but they're basically the lights that are in your Toyota 4Runner's doors. Now they also have some for Tacoma. I think it's only the new Tacoma, the Taco, and I think they have an alternative option that's not specifically a door light, but it kind of is for FJs as well. So that's kind of cool in case, you know, you happen to stumble upon this and you don't have a 4Runner, you do have options. But these ones that we're going over in the video are specifically the ones for the Toyota 4Runner 5th gen model. Now, if you guys are interested in getting any of these, the link is down in the description of this video below. And you will also find a discount code as well that you can use at checkout. Woo! Who doesn't love a little savings? All right, so without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, guys, so this is what the box looks like. And then on the back side here, you have a little QR code for your installation video, which is super convenient. And then, let me see if I can do this one-handed. When you open it up, there we go. When you open it up, you have your, oh my gosh, you have your two welcome lights in there, and then it comes with this tool as well. So let me get this opened up here real quick. Give me a second. Okay, now that I've got it all opened up here, you've got the housing for the light, and then this is the connection point. It's an easy plug and play kind of system, and then this is where it clips in on the right hand side. And then you'll use this tool to kind of edge in between your current door lights right here and the door, and I'll show you that in the installation video, but this is really handy. And then you're wanting to make sure, because I don't think I covered that in this portion when I filmed, you want to make sure that you're going at an angle and not like sliding up and out into the framing of the door, because you can end up scratching your door, the plastic a little bit. You know how it gets that discoloration. And then these actually, when they're in the door frame, you can move them and move the point of projection, which is pretty cool. I've heard in some of the Facebook groups I'm a part of, I've heard that these lenses have an issue where the image will burn up kind of quickly, sometimes 6 months to a year if you're lucky. And I spoke with them and asked them about it. They have a 3-year warranty, which is astounding, and they also offer these only in glass lenses, whereas other ones are plastic lenses. Editing Holly here really quick. What I meant by other lenses is I'm talking about a lot of other brands that you see, like the ones that are on Amazon, the ones that like, there's just, there's a lot of them that are plastic, and they don't really tell you that you're only gonna have this product that's only gonna work for like 6 months. So that is one thing I really like about OMO, is that they have glass lenses. They're very upfront with that, especially they also add that 3-year warranty on there. So it's just like, it's nice. And so these are guaranteed to last a really long time, which is great. So you know that your investment into modding your car is going to go a long way, which is fantastic. We love that. And without further ado, let's get into the installation part of the video. Also, guys, I'm not kidding you when I say this is like a quick mod. It takes me less than a minute to pop out old ones and pop in new ones. Now, stick around if you want to see what all the ones are that they have available are, what they look like. I'm gonna also have that in this video, and that way you guys can see what you like. They did send me all of them that they had currently, which was very nice. Now, I have noticed that they seem to sell out pretty quickly, and so if you see one that you like, definitely snag it, because sometimes they don't come back in stock. And then you're like, oh, I wish I had gotten it. So some of the ones that you guys might see in this video might not be available anymore. However, keep an eye on their website because they do always have new and cool things popping up on there. Alright guys, so just as I had shown you in the earlier part of the video, you're going to use the tool that was provided and you're going to wedge it in between that light and your door panel and kind of prying forward to get it to pop out like this. And then you're simply going to take your thumb and smush the, I don't know what the word is that I'm looking for, the little prongs down so you can pull that out. And then you'll take the new one, and as I had shown you, so towards the rounded side here is where this piece goes in. So just like that, clip it back in, and then line it up. And as you can see, there's this part here. So this part goes in after you put in this corner. And there you go. And you can rotate these if you want to. However, if it's got an image straight up and down, we'll keep it from being warped and we'll keep it looking proper. And there we go, just like that.
Go!